Welcome to SureSolv. This is Atanu Chaudhary. In this session, we'll learn how to solve a large factorization problem, first by identifying a special pattern in the given expression, and second by applying the general problem solving technique of coefficient comparison. Let's see the solutions. The chosen problem is the factors of a square plus 4b square plus 4b minus 4ab minus 2a minus 8 are option A minus 2b minus 4 multiplied by a minus 2b plus 2. These are the two factors. Option B, a minus b plus 2 multiplied by a minus 4b minus 4. Option C, a plus 2b minus 4 multiplied by a plus 2b plus 2. And option D, a plus 2b plus 1 multiplied by a minus 2b plus 1. The given expression is quite large for easy factorization. Naturally, we looked for a meaningful relationship between a set of terms in the given expression. It would give us a starting point towards solving the problem. That was the idea. With this approach, immediately we could find a square minus 4ab and plus 4b square, which formed clearly a minus 2b whole square. That must be the first breakthrough in solving the problem. A square, 4b square and minus 4ab. A square minus 4ab plus 4b square equal to a minus 2b whole square. But we must be sure that the three remaining terms 4b minus 2a and minus 8 do not affect this expression we have found. These three terms are not affecting a minus 2b whole square at all. So we concluded with certainty that the two factors in the answer choice must be having a minus 2b whole square in it. Now we find that the first two terms in each of the two factors in the four choices are in a and b. Looking for the expression a minus 2b whole square in the choices should be very easy then. And it was so. Immediately we could find that the result of the product of the two factors of only choice A must be having the expression a minus 2b whole square in it. Let's see. A minus 2b in the first factor, a minus 2b in the second factor also. When the first factor is multiplied with the second, a minus 2b whole square will be a part of the result. But next three choices cannot have a minus 2b whole square in them. So the solution must be the choice A minus 2b minus 4 multiplied by a minus 2b plus 2. These are the two factors of the given expression. Answer, option A. Explaining the reasoning took a little bit of time, but the solution is a 15 seconds problem maximum. Let's see the second solution. In this solution, we will follow the coefficient comparison method, which won't depend on identifying a special pattern, and will give you the solution with certainty in a fairly quick time. By this method, we'll compare the coefficients of each of the 6 terms of the given expression with the coefficients of the equivalent terms in the product result of a choice. We will compare the coefficients of a square, b square, b, ab, a and minus 8, the numeric term. That is the general method. But for speeding up the process, we'll ignore a square, b square and the numeric term first. Starting with the coefficient of b then. Coefficient of b in the given expression is 4. We'll check in the first expression whether the coefficient of b is 4. The coefficient of b is given by product of minus 2b and plus 2. That is minus 4 and minus 4 and minus 2b, that is plus 8, equal to plus 4, which is same as the coefficient of b in the given expression. So choice A is a valid candidate for the answer. For choice B, the coefficient of b is given by minus 1 multiplied by minus 4, which is plus 4, plus 4 and plus 2 multiplied by minus 4, which is minus 8. Result is minus 4. So this choice is invalid. Option B cannot be the answer. For the third choice, the coefficient of B will be given by the product of plus 2 and plus 2, that is 4, and minus 4 and plus 2, that is minus 8. The result is minus 4. Again, this choice is invalid. For the fourth choice, the coefficient of B will be given by the product of plus 2 and plus 1, that is 2, and plus 1 and minus 2, that is minus 2, equal to 0. This choice is very far away from being a solution, so it is invalid. At the first check itself, we have found the solution. Answer is option A. Again, explaining the method took a little bit of time, but if you are experienced in coefficient comparison, you can reach this solution very quickly. We have not compared the coefficients of a square, b square and the numeric term in the beginning because coefficient calculation for each of these involve only 2 terms for a choice, while the coefficient calculation for each of the other 3 terms, b, ab and a, involves 4 terms for a choice. This creates much higher possibility of identifying differences between the 4 choices. If you actually check, you'll find that the coefficients of a square for all the 4 choices are same, while the coefficients of b square and the numeric term is same for the first 3 choices, which is not a very encouraging result. And this validates our experience-based strategy. This solution was also fairly quick and all in mind. This concludes the session. If you have liked this video, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.